eat. What is today? Mia, what is today?
Saturday.
Tuesday.
Hey.
What is today?
Tuesday.
Tuesday, Mia has daycare and getting her Nutella bread. Suot niya na yung Christmas dress niya, guys.
Sun Cooper.
Gusto niyo suotin. Today. Sabi ko, sige. Bahala ka. Matagal pa naman kasi yung Santa photo namin. So, suotin mo muna.
Mommy, where are you going?
I'm going to my appointment in the hospital.
After your appointment, it will be on my appointment.
Really? What's your appointment?
My appointment is addiction.
Is what?
It's addiction.
Diction?
Yeah.
What's diction?
My appointment is addiction. So you have to stay in school too. You have to stay in school. Mommy, can I buy a security camera at the top there in the corner? Looking like this, screaming?
Security camera?
Yeah, because I don't know what's in the phone. If Daddy dropped without me and just thrown it outside. That's real.
Ask your daddy.
I already asked him.
Did you ask him to put a camera?
Yeah, for
Yeah?
so I can watch him.
So you can watch him?
Yes, I can watch him.
That's funny.
Hey, I just only want one braid. I just want one braid.
Hurry up! What do I need to get?
Oh.
Water! Where's your water?
Mom, I just want one braid so I look pretty.
Yeah, you look more cute with 2 braids. Yeah?
No, that's
Because your hair is really thick.
No, you did only one braid before.
I know, but...
No, because I'm not done yet. So, I haven't ready yet. So, I just want you to just tie it and string it because, and next I will finish it all because it looks like something straight.
Artie, look at you. Oh, you're so pretty with this. So pretty with 2 braids. Ay, ambot na lamang. 1 braid. Hurry up na. So you can't even see the braid. Go. Finish your food. Ay, taking so long. Are you still full? You didn't drink at all? Come on.
Musa.
Finish na.
Musa.
Hurry up. Your friends are already outside 11 na. They're already inside maybe.
No, they're outside. Yeah, they're outside. They're outside because it's sunny. They're wearing sunscreen. You're wrong, I'm right.
Okay, we will see then.
Yes, see who's the winner.
Okay.
Huh.
Dali, eat naman. Use your hand to eat.
Ouch, you're hurting it. Sandwich.
Oh, really? Ay, what happened to your sandwich? You can put something on your face.
Nom, nom, nom.
Putting your sunscreen here. Where's your mirror? Dali, put na.
Mom, you have to control me, left or right, middle.
Left. Yep. Hey, that's taking so long. By the time you get to your class, your friends are already finished.
You have to control me again. I'm looking for one. There is not enough where we start. No, oh, somewhere. I have a great idea. Mom, look at me. Meow. It's so funny. I look like a kid and mommy. I put my face back, there. Another fair. Rub in my forehead for There's kids in my neck. There. Mom, can you hold my neck at the back? Can you hold it up?
Your head?
Yeah.
Okay na? Perfect na? Perfect?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Perfect.
Go.
Yeah.
Say bye to the people. We'll see you later. Bye to
I'll
people.
just bring this.
Bye to people.
No, I might not bring this. I will listen to you, Mommy.
Okay, thank you. Good job, Mia. Don't bring toys at school.
Oh, look, it's there. Cool.
Okay, let's go. Bye, people na.
Bye, people.
Here.
See you later.
Say bye.
See you this channel next. Bye.
Tingnan niya. Yan yung suot niya. What sandal are you gonna wear today? Gusto niya yung may wings talaga. Gonna wear Crocs?
I'm strong.
You gonna wear Crocs today? What do you wanna wear? What?
The white.
The Crocs? Oh, no, white one. You actually have the pink sandal outside.
The pink sandal.
Ay, na naman siya. Hindi naman siya makapili ng
I
sandal.
will not take it off.
Not that one. I told you not that one's not for school. We are back! So, Mia na sa daycare na, guys. So, later may ultrasound appointment tayo sa hospital. I have to go there kasi nandun yung radiology nila. So, yeah, I have to go there. Doon ako nag-book. So, the main purpose of this appointment or ultrasound para to check my placenta if it's still low-lying. So, kailangan niya mag-move para ma-push natin yung ating VBAC. So, yeah. And also, I wanna make Graham bar today. So, di ko alam kung magagawa ko siya before I go. Para pagbalik ko, matry ko na siya kasi gusto ko siya i-freeze. But then, I forgot. Kailangan to ilagay sa freezer ng matagal. Yung all-purpose cream. I don't know how many do I need. Maybe dalawa lang. Tingnan ko nga. In-screenshot ko yun eh. Ang dami ko kasing nakikita na paano gumawa ng Graham bar. Sabi ko parang masarap. Parang ice cream. Chilled all-purpose cream. Condensed milk. Okay, so nilagay ko muna sila sa freezer, guys. Baka mamaya ko na lang gawin. Kasi yung appointment ko is 1:30. So, I have to leave the house at 1. And, yeah. We will see. Baka kailangan siya for half an hour. So, 12. 12 ko na siya magagawa. But we will see if we can make it before we leave the house. Alright, guys. So, 12:30 na. Oh my gosh. Meron akong half an hour to finish this. Kailangan ko siya i-whisk. So, gagamitin ko yung electric ko na meron ako. Matagal na to sa akin and matagal na din siya hindi nagagamit. Mabuti na lang gumagana pa, guys. So, let's do that. Kailangan ko siya i-whisk sa dito nga electric kasi mas matagal daw pag manual. So, yeah, let's see kung magagawa ko siya. But yeah, so I have this. I'm gonna put all the ingredients. So, yung sa video, guys, cream sada. Pero dito sa Australia, walang cream sada. So, yung gagawin ko is, mabuti na lang may all-purpose cream. Di ko alam ilan. But yeah, we will try. Finish ko to ng half an hour. More than nga eh. Mga 1 hour. Uy, hala, nag-frozen ba siya? Hala. Kailangan niya pa mag-ano ng konti. Hindi ko siya mabuksan. Oh my gosh. So, meron tayong whipping cream. Kasi parang merong isa akong napanood na video na naglagay siya ng Everwhip. So, hindi ko alam kung whipping cream yun. Sa Pilipinas lang yun nabibili ata eh, kasi wala dito. Hala. So, di ko alam ilang all-purpose cream yung kailangan. Tumigas din yung box. Hello, girl. Ayan. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Alright. Sana malabas natin lahat. Ayan. Dapat pabilog siya. So, isang all-purpose cream lang siguro. Kasi di ko alam kung sasarapan ako, guys. And then, meron akong condensed milk and thickened cream. And whipping cream. So, lalagyan ko ng whipping cream. Nagpapaano ba yung whipping cream? Ay, hindi siya masyado frozen. Okay, so konti lang. Half? Sige. Half. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung ingredients ko. But, we will see. Lagyan ko din ng condensed milk, pero not all of this. Kasi, baka ang tamis. Okay, siguro half of a can lang. And then, yung thickened cream. Dapat pala yung maliit lang na thickened cream. Malaking thickened cream yung kinuha ko. Hala! Nag-freeze din siya ng konti. Hindi siya masyado frozen. Hala. Okay lang yan. Hindi ko alam kung mag-work to, guys. Okay, so let's try this with our electric mixer. Parang ang daming ano. Oh my gosh. Ang dami nating sauce. Okay. Alright guys, medyo natagalan yung pag blend. Parang nag-ano na siya. Pero hindi siya thick. Pero okay na to siguro. Kasi may thick and cream naman. Nilagyan ko ng nilagdagan ko ng thick and cream para mag-thick siya. Hiwain ko pa pala to. But, we'll try this. Hala, malapit na mag-1. So, nakita ko sa mga videos na binabasa nila sa tubig. So, yung binili kong Grahams is yung pagganito. Yung narrow, hindi yung malapad. So, ganyan siya. So, isoak daw siya sa tubig. Tapos, ilalagay dyan sa tray. Sana may kasya sa dito sa tray. Or pag ganun. Nakikita nyo ba, guys? Hindi nyo man nakikita. Ganito na lang. Hala! Mali! Hindi ko na siya mamove. Dumikit na siya, sis. Ayun. Hindi ko alam bakit sinusok. Ay! Sira. Hindi ko alam bakit sinusok nila sa tubig. Ayan. So, ganyan siya. Basta punuin ko lang ito ng Grahams. Uy. Wala. Sana ma-perfect natin to, sis. So, may space pa siya sa gilid. Paano ba natin yan? Magagawa ng paraan. Alright. So, that's our Grahams na binasa sa tubig. Tapos, lalagyan natin ng, eto, yung whisk natin. Ooh! I'm so excited. Lagay natin to. Ooh! Makapal ba? Parang makapal. Kasi parang ang kapal nung nila, Graham something. Ubusin na natin, guys. Ubusin na natin. Dapat pala meron din dyan. Wait sa. Lagay tayo dyan sa gilid. Dito. Yan. Kailangan muna natin hiwain yung mangga. Okay, so we have our mango here, guys. Now, lagay ko siya dito. Isang mango lang to. So, kinat ko siya in very small pieces. Ayan. Tapos, make sure na nakamix siya sa blend mo. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Meron na bang mango ang lahat ng side? Ayan, para fair. Hey, I'm so excited. Kaya lang, overnight daw to ilalagay sa freezer, guys. So, hindi ko alam kung makakapaghintay ako ng overnight. Siguro mamayang gabi. Pwede na siya. No. So, lagyan ulit natin ng Graham bar. Which is this. Oak natin sa tubig. Ang dali lang nito gawin. Lapit na mag-1. We have 5 minutes. Oh my gosh. Ayan. Tapos, lagay pa natin to sa freezer. I have to make space pa sa freezer kasi puno-puno ang ating freezer. So, good luck. Every single... Oh my gosh, we did it! That's our Graham bar. We did it! We did it! Yes! Okay, now I have to clean up. Kailangan natin ito ilagay sa freezer. Sarap! That's our Graham bar. Alright guys, let's go to my appointment. Natapos ko yung ating mango Graham bar. So, which is really good. So, from here to the hospital, mga 20 minutes siya. Sana hindi traffic. Saan pa ako dadaan? Alright guys, nandito na tayo. Nakapark na ako. Maglagay lang ako ng lip product. So, I'll use the Romand Juicy Lasting Tint. Number 13 yung shade. So, meron pa tayong 3 minutes. So, pagdating doon, baka may pila. It's okay. Pila ng shade na to. Ang tagal ko siya hindi nagamit kasi nasa bag ko lang siya. I'm using my Kate Spade bag. Ayan, na Haki Pupu. Kasama si Haki Pupu. So, let's go to my appointment! Hala! Nakalimutan ko ilagay yung sunshade. Nakakainit. Alright, let's go people. Let's go home. I'm done with my appointment. Nalalaman ko yung result sa Thursday. Babalik ako sa Thursday kasi may, midwife appointment na naman. So, that's gonna be my 32 weeks checkup. Kasi I'm 32 weeks now. Malapit na tayo mag-full term. Malapit na. Gusto ko na kumain ng Graham bar ko. Kaya lang, hindi pa yun siguro matigas. So, parang first time ko in ultrasound na malaki na si baby. So, nakita ko yung niya, heartbeat, yung mga niya, sukat ng kamay niya, ng paa niya. Ayun nga, so yung purpose ng ultrasound na to is to check my placenta, tawag dito, kung gaano siya kalapit sa cervix ko. Kasi kailangan niyang maging, if I'm not mistaken, parang 20, kailangan niyang mag 20 mm na malayo sa aking cervix. Yun. Kasi yung last time na chinek nila, it was 17 mm. So, 3 mm na lang para, ayun, namin yung, ma-push namin yung VBAC. Pero last time kasi na chinek nila, pa yun, matagal na yun guys. I think I was second trimester. Sa anatomy scan ko, diba? So, sabi nila may possibility pa yan mag-move. So, that's why I did another ultrasound today. But the sonographer have to do the guys, internal nga tawag doon, basta internal siya. Kasi yung ulo ni baby nasa baba na naman. So nahirapan siya i-check yung sa normal lang na check ba. So, kailangan talaga internal. So I have to do that kanina. So nakita naman yung sukat talaga, for sure. Sabi naman ni Kuya, okay naman. So, mag-edit muna tayo, guys. Kanina pa ako sa bahay. We're picking up Mia now, guys. Si Daddy yung pumasok kasi ang sakit ng leg. Dala din namin si Pochi. Pochi! Init pa naman dito. Ayan. Ang sakit ng legs ko, guys. Di ako makalakad. I don't know. Ultrasound lang naman ako kanina. Sakit-sakit na ng legs ko. Yung sa may puwet banda, yung parang, ay nako, sakit. Mabuti na lang dumating na si Daddy. 5:30 na guys. Nag-ready ako ng dinner sa kitchen. Tapos sabi ko, hindi ako makalakad, Daddy. Andito na sila. Pochi, where's Mia? Where's Mia and Pochi? Pochi, where's Ate Mia? Where's Pochi!
Mommy.
Yeah.
Where's Pochi? Oh, Pochi's gonna go out.
Not Pochi. Yeah.
Pochi's gonna go out.
Go.
Put your seatbelt.
Ha! He did it. He's sitting on it.
He's sitting on it.
Sitting on it. He's sitting. And is he doing?
Sit down, Daddy. We'll put your seatbelt. Dali na. Mommy's leg ouchie. I can't press the pedal. It's not going, no? Ah, nakapark pala. Hello, Mia. We are cooking the chicken curry, guys. Vietnamese way of cooking naman siya. So, ayan. Na-start ko na. Nakalimutan ko na kayo. Ay, nako. Ayan. So, lalagyan ko siya ng more gatas. Hinintay ko lang mag-brown yung chicken. I think it's okay na. So, ayan. Minarinate ko muna pala yung chicken kanina. So, konting gatas. Kasi konti lang yung chicken ko. Hindi siya super dami. Tapos, lagyan natin ng coconut water after. Si Mia kumakanta na naman. Ayan. Parang napadami yung gatas. That's okay. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng coconut water, guys. Coconut water. Hindi ko alam yung kadami. Kadami ata yun. Coconut water. And then, chicken broth. Chicken broth. Wala akong taste ngayon, so hindi ko siya nalalasahan. Wala akong panglasa. So, si Daddy yung nag-test niyan. So, okay naman daw. Ayan, that's done. And ito yung bread namin. Bigay ito ng neighbor namin, guys. Yung kalaro ni Mia kahapon. Matagal niya na ito binigay. Kaya lang, hindi namin maubos-ubos. Kasi hindi naman kami kumakain like nito. So, yeah. Pang ano lang siya, pang curry, like ganun. So, makakain lang namin pag nagka-curry ako kasi dinidip niya yung bread. So, yeah. Parang ano siya, cove loaf. Tama ba? Oo. Or ano, baguette na malaki. Basta yan siya. So, iinitin ko lang siya sa oven. We're done eating. O, diba? Sipot.
It's cold.
Sipot, guys. Wala nga akong panglasa. Yeah, it's cold. Mia, sipot din ng rice. Durian time. Show mommy how you eat durian.
So, mommy, so yummy.
Mommy, eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
Yuck! Stinky! Ew! That's a stinky smell.
So, Daddy, how? Yeah, so Daddy, how you chew, so yummy like.
Mia's fart gonna be stinky. Yuck! Ew! Don't like it. Stinky.
Now you eat it together next. When Daddy and you and me eat it together, we eat it for the Pochi's face.
What are we gonna fart?
And Pochi's face.
In Pochi's face? Pochi! We're gonna fart in Pochi's face, Daddy. Eat na. Dali na. Ay, naku. ano, sinisipon ako pero, my gosh, amoy na amoy ko.
Eat it.
Hindi masyado ko na amoy, pero amoy ko pa din na may durian. Ikaw ha?
No, close your eyes and smell.
Mana ka talaga sa daddy mo. I know! I don't want!
No. Just close your eyes and smell.
No!
It's really, really good.
No, you're gonna break the bowl.
Let's do it.
Mm. That's stinky.
Yeah.
Ay, eat na. You're gonna be dirty, oh. You're gonna dirty your clothes. Eat there. Put it back. Oh my goodness, this girl. Yung ginawa pala nating ano nasa fridge, freezer, Graham bar. Check natin mamaya, guys,
Look,
kung okay.
I have a mermaid tail.
You have a mermaid tail.
Yeah, with feet.
Gusto niya maging mermaid. Nagpapabili talaga siya yung mermaid tail talaga. Meron siyang costume dyan na mermaid, pero hindi ko pinakita sa kanya. Tadaan! Pangit nung gilid. This is our Graham bar.
So sorry to be now.
Sorry, Mia. Sorry for drawing on your paper. I didn't know you don't want me to draw there.
Okay na, mommy said sorry already na.
Look at my Graham bar. You wanna try? Look. Oh my gosh. Let's try, guys.
When you have a big tummy, just like a fat. I'm watching that.
Big Tommy.
You're fat.
You're so good at drawing smiley face. So good at drawing smiley face. There's some orange here.
Oh, yum! Try natin.
Mix blue and purple. I'm gonna mix blue and purple. See what color. What color is that?
Hindi ko lang malasahan ng bongga.
It's blue.
Pero, may lasa siya.
Not dark blue anymore.
Yeah, that blue.
Mm.
It's still purple.
How about blue and orange?
Alam mo yung ice cream na may tinapay? Parang gano'n.
Brown? How? What the man? How did I get brown?
Wanna try, guys? My ice cream.
What if you make orange and...
Try my ice cream. Bite the whole thing. My gosh.
I'll just taste the ice cream like celebrate the whole thing.
No, bite din. Bite the ice cream din. Mm. Daddy, more. Daddy, try. Is that good? Is that good? Try more, Mia. Dali, it's gonna melt. You keep...
Come on, woman.
I'll keep dropping it. Kaya lang wala ako masyadong malasahan. Kasi wala tayong panglasa. Kanina nung gumagawa ako nito, may panglasa pa ako, guys. Pero ngayon, wala na. Kasi yung curry hindi ko matikman kanina. Ilang beses ko na siya natikman. Tapos sabi ko, Daddy, parang wala akong may nalalasahan. Tapos ayun, si Daddy na yung nag-check ng lasan. Sabi niya, okay na daw. Lagyan niya lang ng turmeric para pang kulay. Para magbongga yung kulay niya. Kaya yung curry kanina, yellow na yellow. Magsha-shower na yung dalawa. Pumunta na sila sa taas, guys. Alright, guys. So, nalagay ko sila dito sa container na to. Para may space tayo more. Kasi yung isa malapad, super lapad. Ito yung kinamama sa kapatid ko bukas. So, lagay ko lang sila sa freezer. Kasi mabilis sila ma-melt, guys. Kailangan talaga naka-freezer.